Welcome to PTE Updates. For more videos, subscribe our channel.
Throughout history, people have developed techniques to capture animals. Among these techniques, the use of baits has been widespread. For instance, aerial baiting is an important rat eradication technique. In aquatic ecosystems, the most important bait users remain anglers. Despite great efforts to develop alternative, long-line artificial baits, live baits continue to be largely used in recreational fishing and commercial long-line fishing and to be preferred for successful catches. As far as the idea seems, quantum entanglement has been proven time and time again over the years. When researchers create two entangled particles and independently measure their properties, they find that the outcome of one measurement influences the observed properties of the other particle. The two different forms had very different properties, with the smaller cage version being up to 10 times softer and more dynamic, while the larger version was harder and more rigid. One obvious application of this kind of tech, then, is as a new variety of self-healing material. The auto-ignition temperature is the temperature at which a substance will burst into flames without an outside ignition source, such as a spark or a flame. At the auto-ignition temperature, spontaneous combustion occurs. According to the SDS for methanol, the auto-ignition temperature is 464 Celsius degrees. So when the methanol was poured onto the smoldering cotton balls, if they were at a temperature above 464 Celsius degrees, the methanol would instantly burst into flames on contact. Most verbs are either strong or weak in conjugation. There are 7 classes of strong verbs and 3 classes of weak verbs. A few other verbs, including modals, example for, can, must, belong to a special category called preterite present, where different rules apply, and yet others, example for, be, do, go, are animalists, meaning each form must be memorized.